This is a bacteriological shaking incubator, special one with Hebron. The chamber is having inside there is one fan is there. This 16 flask capacities with the which can you can put the flask here. It is flexible and the tray moves with the speed. Now I go with the panel. The panel has on-off switch. You switch it off, and then when you switch it on, the switch is on. The motor RPM and timer. Upper one is RPM, below is the timer. This one is a digital temperature controller and mains current, heating increasing or decreasing, and voltmeter. You can see this is showing volts. This is digital temperature controller. This is the RPM meter. Top one is RPM, and below. If I just give you and check another video how to set it, I will try to show you. Just switch on this and press start button. Now this timer is showing the seconds. Shaking is going on. See, this shaking is going on inside. And if you want to stop it, just stop it. That's simple thing is. Otherwise, now it is set for 20 seconds. I can change it. Now this is RPM. I can increase it, decrease it. That's I am setting it. Then memory is 20 seconds. I can make it 21 seconds. Then memorize back and then start. It's become RPM and seconds is 21 seconds, which is going down. RPM is now 100. Timer is coming. And if I go with the tell you the temperature set, this top one, it tells you what is the inside temperature. This is desired temperature. I can set it, increase it, decrease it, make it, let's make it 50. I can make it 45, 46. I am making 0.1 degree and then enter. Entering means this is a temperature which is you have desired temperature. Fluctuation is showing in the video because of the frequency. Now the temperature is coming in. Very easy, simple. If you want to change the temperature requested by you, change the set. This is how to set the temperature. Then you can increase or decrease. Now I can make it again. I can make it 45 and then enter it. Become 45. Inside temperature 40.5. Now it's very easy. Just see, and the shaking is going on. Inside you can see the shaking. Here this fan is there on the front side. Shaking is there, and chamber is you can close it. Shaking incubator, and I can switch it off. Please visit our website hebron01@gmail.com.